Ever been itching to cash out your crypto gains on Kraken? You're not alone. But with the crypto world moving at lightning speed, waiting 72 hours for your funds can feel like an eternity. So, the burning question is, does Kraken actually have a 72-hour withdrawal limit? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Kraken, a veteran in the crypto exchange game, is known for its robust security features. And yes, they do have withdrawal limits, but it's not a blanket 72 hours for everyone. It's a bit more nuanced than that. Understanding Kraken's withdrawal limits. Here's the lowdown. Tiered system. Kraken operates on a tiered system for withdrawal limits. Your withdrawal limits depend on your account verification level. Starter. This is the basic level. Expect lower limits here. Intermediate. With more verification, your limits increase significantly. Pro. This is where the big players reside. High limits and faster withdrawals are the name of the game. Currency and method. Withdrawal limits vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing and the method you choose. Crypto to crypto, generally faster and with higher limits. Crypto to fiat can have longer processing times and lower limits, especially for bank transfers. Security measures. Kraken prioritizes security. This means they might implement temporary holds on withdrawals, especially for large sums or if they detect any suspicious activity. 72-hour rule? This is where things get a bit tricky. There's no universal 72-hour rule across the board. However, you might encounter situations where a 72-hour hold is applied. New accounts. To prevent fraud and money laundering, new accounts might experience temporary holds on withdrawals. Large withdrawals. As mentioned, larger withdrawals might trigger extra security checks, potentially leading to a hold. Suspicious activity. If Kraken detects any unusual activity on your account, they might freeze withdrawals as a precautionary measure. The good news is that Kraken is generally transparent about their withdrawal procedures. You can usually find detailed information about withdrawal limits and processing times within your account dashboard. Tips for faster withdrawals. So, how can you minimize withdrawal wait times? Here are a few tips. Verify your account. The higher your verification level, the better. This unlocks faster processing and higher limits. Choose faster withdrawal methods. Crypto to crypto transfers are usually the quickest. Avoid peak hours. If possible, schedule your withdrawals during off-peak hours to avoid potential delays. Maintain good account history. Consistent trading activity and adherence to Kraken's terms of service can help build trust and avoid unnecessary holds. Remember that withdrawal fees are a factor to consider. Kraken charges fees for most withdrawals. These fees vary depending on the cryptocurrency and withdrawal method. Before making any significant withdrawals, it's always wise to review Kraken's terms of service, familiarize yourself with their withdrawal policies and any potential limitations. Contact Kraken support. If you have any concerns or encounter any issues, reach out to their support team for assistance. While Kraken doesn't have a universal 72-hour withdrawal limit, it's crucial to understand that withdrawal processing times can vary. By following the tips we've discussed and maintaining a good account standing, you can generally expedite your withdrawals and enjoy a smoother crypto trading experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.